Qaid-e-Azam's short history. Qaid-e-Azam, meaning great leader, is the title bestowed upon Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who is widely regarded as the founding father of Pakistan. Here is a short history of his life. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on December 25, 1876, in Karachi, which was then part of British India. He hailed from a Gujarati Muslim family and received his early education in Karachi and Bombay, now Mumbai. Jinnah later traveled to England in 1892 to pursue higher studies in law and became a barrister. After completing his education, Jinnah returned to Bombay and started his legal practice. He quickly rose to prominence as a competent lawyer and became actively involved in politics. Jinnah initially joined the Indian National Congress, a political party that sought independence from British rule, and worked towards Hindu-Muslim unity. However, Jinnah became disillusioned with the Congress's attitude towards the rights of religious minorities, particularly the Muslim community. He believed that Muslims needed separate representation and protection of their rights within a unified India. Consequently, Jinnah resigned from the Congress in 1920 and dedicated himself to the cause of Muslim rights. Jinnah played a significant role in the All India Muslim League, a political party that advocated for the interests of Muslims in India. He became the League's leader in 1913 and worked tirelessly to mobilize the Muslim community, seeking to safeguard their political, economic, and cultural rights. Over the years, Jinnah's vision evolved, and he began to argue for a separate Muslim state. He put forward the demand for the creation of Pakistan, a nation where Muslims could live freely and govern themselves. Jinnah's unwavering commitment to this idea earned him the title of Qaid-e-Azam, or Great Leader, among his supporters. In 1940, the All India Muslim League passed the Lahore Resolution, also known as the Pakistan Resolution, which called for the establishment of independent states for Muslims in India. Jinnah led negotiations with the British government and the Congress Party to secure the rights and the territorial integrity of the proposed state of Pakistan. On August 14, 1947, Pakistan came into existence as a separate nation, comprising two geographically separated regions, West Pakistan, present-day Pakistan, and East Pakistan, which later became Bangladesh. Jinnah served as Pakistan's first Governor-General.